Si Nick Davis nandyan. Dane, Derek, thank you guys for being here. Well, actually.
So mamaya we'll discover all the flavors as well later on. Yung pag-shooting mo with Amon ng Section E, is that what's been keeping you busy or are there other things that have been keeping you busy lately?
Well, so there's a lot of things going on right now that have been keeping me busy. So, syempre, tuloy pa rin ng mga projects. And of course, in my free time, I've been keeping myself busy by working out, spending time with my family, and eating, food trips. Yan ang favorite ko talaga, getting to eat with my family also.
You said your family. How's your family so far doing then? I know your work-life balance, minsan hindi natin matiyempo na. So we have to do a little bit more work, leave family behind, or have you been more, I guess, taking care of spending more time with the family?
Yes, back home we're all good talaga. My family, we like to actually, our bonding in the house, food trip kami talaga. We love to eat, especially pag may mga new foods mas lamang from Jollibee, di ba? So, talagang whenever there's a new product or new food from Jollibee, we always love to try and share it and, really talk about it.
Oh, that's nice. So parang meron ka bang memories dati as family, like growing up? May food trip ba kayo? Kasi dati kami, as a family, minsan kung nag-trip kami ng Baguio, syempre dadaan kami ng Jollibee. At alam na ng dad ko, like, C3 para sa kuya ko. Gano'n. Do you guys have that type of memory with Jollibee?
Of course, dahil naman, OG Jollibee kid ako talaga, noon pa naman, even with the privileges of our family being together and all, talagang kahit birthday parties, nasa Jollibee kami, di ba? At kahit taping din sa the first family where we're all together, we love to also eat Jollibee on the set. Kaya ganun, yan ang experiences ko with